Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing green banana dumpling and curry cabbage. Here I have some flour, a cabbage, 4 finger of green banana, some okra, carrot, hot pepper, garlic, sweet pepper, onion, scallion and thyme, and a pack of curry. Here I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna add some salt into it. And here is my banana. Now I'm gonna peel it. When you're peeling banana, first thing you do, you pour some oil into your hand and rub it up really good so that your hand won't stain. Now I'm gonna peel my banana. When you're peeling banana, this is the first thing you do. Mark it at the bottom, mark it at the top, then mark it at the side thinly, not doing it too deep because you don't want to peel out cut out the banana in the skin. Then I'm gonna peel. Same treatment. Now I'm gonna grate my banana. And now I finished grating my banana. Now I'm gonna add my flour. Then I'm gonna add some salt. Then I'm gonna mix it up. Adding some water to mix my flour. Now my flour finished mix up. Now I'm kneading it. Making my dumpling now to put in the pot. Now all my dumplings are in the pot. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. And now I'm gonna cut up my cabbage. Now my cabbage finished cutting up. Now I'm cutting up my natural seasoning, sweet pepper. Cutting up my sweet pepper. Carrot. Onion. Hot pepper. Scallion. Garlic. Here I finished cutting up my cabbage, my okra, sweet pepper, carrot, onion, hot pepper, scallion, garlic. Now I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Now I'm gonna add some curry. Stirring it up, make it burn. Now I'm gonna add in all my natural season. Sweet pepper, onion, garlic and all those stuff. Give it a stir. Wash my cabbage. Now I'm gonna add my cabbage to the pot. Now I'm gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some Maggi chicken seasoning. A pinch of salt. Then give it a stir. Add in a little bit of water. Here, my green banana dumpling finished cook. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. Add in piece of butter. Now I'm gonna add in my okra. Piece of thyme. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. Then leave it to steam for. And now my curry cabbage is finished. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it looks like. And here is my green banana dumpling and curry cabbage with okra. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.